Crazy deals, guys. This is just insane. Like Ted said, big shout out to Deal Team 6, Bruce, Llama for posting all these deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribes and likes. So don't forget to help us out. Alright guys, so basically this is, I'll leave you guys the link down below. You add this to the cart. So you go here to the free purchase, you add the ratchet. Basically you go to the cart and you check out. But look at the price, guys. $97.69 for the hacksaw, the battery, the rotary, the kit, the whole kit. $81 for the ratchet. That's a killer deal, guys. Just a crazy deal. Here's the other one. Here's another one. The one with the pin nailer. The pin nailer. So I can't talk today. It's just early in the morning. So all the ones that get free, get one free tool. Those are all deals that are up. I did do like a massive search. So all the ones that have the little red, you guys could, mix and match and play with them. There's a bunch of different. This one's a really good deal. It goes down to $138 for the installation driver kit. So there's a whole bunch. Anyways, just want to share this with you guys. Big shout out to Deal Team 6. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.